Hi, welcome! Andy's here. It's lesson 9. And it's about queuing problems. Ready to solve some interesting problems? Here we go. Question 1. Lucas and Lily are in the queue. Lucas knows that there are 7 people in front of him, and Lily knows that there are 11 people in total. If Lucas is the person standing in front of Lily, how many people are standing behind Lily? Let's say they are in the queue in front of an ice cream shop. We love ice creams. Okay, so let's say put it here. This is the shop. And Lucas is here. Lucas. We can draw this queue. We can draw a model here. So Lucas is here. And there are 7 people in front of Lucas. So 7 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And Lily here. Lucas is standing right in front of Lily. So here is Lily. Lily is behind Lucas. And now the question is, how many people are standing behind Lily? We need to find how many people are there behind Lily. So we know that there are 11 people. Here we go. Put it here. Oops. 11 people and 7 are standing right in front of Lucas. There is Lucas and Lily. So the rest of the people are the people who are behind Lily. So how do you do this? We can simply use this 11 minus 7 minus Lucas and Lily. So minus 2 equals 11 minus 9 is 2. So how many people are standing behind Lily? 1 and 2. 2 people. Well done. If you have the same value. Okay. Next, let's work on the second question about queuing problem. At the entrance of the zoo, there are 12 children in the queue. Lucy is the 7th from the front, and Kim is the 2nd from the back. Wow, how many children are there between Lucy and Kim in the queue? So let's draw a queue, right? So first, we notice there is a zoo. This is a zoo. And here we know that Lucy is the 7th from the front. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the 7th person will be Lucy. And then we don't know how many people are there between Lucy and Kim. But we do know Kim is the 2nd from the back. So we have 1 and 2, and this the 2nd from the back. So this is Kim. So what is the value between Lucy and Kim? So we do know that there are 12 children in the queue. 12 here. And here, from the beginning to Lucy, there are 7 people. And from the end of the person to Kim, there are 2 more people. So 7, 2. So what is the number? The number will be the rest of the people other than the 7 and the 2. So you can simply do this. 12 minus 7 minus 2 is 3. So we know that there are 3 children between Lucy and Kim. That's how you find the answer. Okay, so next time when you try to solve this kind of queuing problems, you do know that you can draw a queue. You can draw a model to represent the queue and then to find the answer. Okay, so it's time to say goodbye. See you next time.